Alright guys, we're back with our assistant. What is your name? Aiden. Love that name. Alright, so when I tell you, you're going to call him and then just give him the treat. Don't pet him or anything. Alright, go ahead, call him.
Dude.
Give him the treat. Yeah. Good. Oh, no, honey, hand it to him. Or put it right in his mouth.
That's it. Learn to be a trainer. I like that. Then you can train her.
I'll call him again.
Dude.
I know pretty well.
Put it right down by his mouth, honey. Don't hold it up. Sven! Good boy.
Oh, God.
I call him.
Dude. Not. Oh. Ah.
Sorry about that.
Oh, I could get that off.
Oh, well, he didn't really mean to bite you. He was just grabbing a treat. Sven! Oh, no, don't give it to him if you didn't call him. I call him now.
Dude. Not.
Anyway, guys, I can't stress enough, that's the most important behavior. If you can make one come to you. No! You're so far ahead of the game. Alright, guys, we gotta get back to the house. More updates soon.